So, I am creeping up on 1,000 subscribers. I'm totally blown away. I started this channel 2013, I think. But I really wasn't posting videos. It was mostly to comment on videos, and I watched a lot of videos. And about 2 years ago, I'm going to say, I decided I was going to start making videos. So I made a bunch of videos. It's funny going back and watching some of those. Some of them have a lot of views, but I was so like monotone, and personally I thought they were boring. So, but you know, 1,000 subscribers, I'm really just, it warms my heart. All my brothers and sisters out there, you really are my family. I cannot, you know, at the end of every video I say I appreciate your views and your comments, and I truly mean that. It's just, it really is just a fantastic thing, okay? I look forward to watching your videos, and I look forward to reading the comments and the kind words. It just, it's good for the soul. It really is. So when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a little countdown, so to say, where I'll wait, you know, probably 2 weeks or so. And in this video, I'm going to need you to do a few things in order to get in on what's in this box. Okay, so I'm going to mention it a few times so everyone, it's clear. Okay, pretty simple. You need to be 18 years old. You need to be subscribed to me. You need to write the word Earl, E-A-R-L, somewhere in your comment. You could just leave a comment that says Earl, okay? So I'm going to do a random pick, and I'm going to search the comments on that word, okay? So that's Earl, E-A-R-L, my awesome puppy. So here we go. This is what I'm going to give away. I put together some items, all handmade by me. And the first thing I got is a wax canvas, little ground cloth, okay? Now this is perfect for putting, you know, your flint and steel on, your ferro rod, anything, you know, you're out there and you don't want to get dirty or wet. Personally for me, when I'm out in the wilderness and I gots to go, I don't like keeping my firearm in the holster, but I always have my firearm with me. So this placed down on the ground next to me is perfect to lay my firearm on. So many uses for this. So we got that. Then we have a wax canvas drawstring bag. And you could put anything in this, anything you want. Drawstring bag, it's got a little keep on it. Again, all handmade by me. So we got that in there. I'm going to put links in the description to, I don't have videos of everything I made in here, but most of it. So if you wanted to see that. And here I have a hand-forged flint striker pendant. And this is made from a file. So we got that. I have a couple pieces of shirt. And this piece is actually English flint. And these are small pieces. You've all seen me use tiny pieces. I have here one of my antler rings. It's a relatively small size, depending on the size of your fingers. I got pretty big hands, but you know, feel free to give it away to somebody else if you win it and it doesn't fit you. I have here a Nathan 4071 ferro rod that I cut down and I drilled a hole in and made this little keychain, basically ferro rod set with a high-speed steel striker. You've seen me use this. Now I made a bottle opener out of brass, and I decided to make one out of aluminum because the brass one was pretty heavy on the keychain. So this one's made out of aluminum with just a brushed finish, and I've used it. It holds up pretty good. So we got that. Again, all handmade. Then I have here a blacksmith hook. Now this was made just with a torch, the anvil that was on my vise, and it was twisted. It's 1/4 inch bar stock, mild steel, and this is awesome. I have these where I just put them on the wall, and you can hang all kinds of stuff on it. They're really sturdy, great for putting your keys on when you come home. So we got that. I'm going to throw in a little chunk of some Florida bacon. I got here just a little tin of some char cloth. And then in here, I have some of the little lead soldiers that I make. Hand cast, hand painted. Comes in a set of 3. So those get thrown in. And then last but not least, we have one of my little wax canvas rolled flint and steel kits. Now in here, it's tight because I just made it. I have this striker. Now this is not hand forged, but this is basically what I call fabricated. Okay, now this is made out of a file. I love this size. It's just like your fingers automatically go in those holes and you do the pinch hold. You always see me do the pinch hold. So we have our striker. Of course we got a little tin of char cloth. And we got some nice Florida shirt. Woo! Some nice Florida shirt to go with that. And this conveniently folds up. You wrap it around. Got my little deer antler button there. And you just pull this closed. And you can throw that right in your pocket. And this works great. All right, I'm going to clean this up and kind of put it all out there in the middle. All right, so I think I got it all in focus. So there's all the items. I will pick one winner. And like I always say when I do a giveaway, I wish I could give everybody something, but that's not possible. But I really do. Again, I'm going to say it. I appreciate everybody. If you want to take a chance on winning this, just like I said, you have to put the word Earl, E-A-R-L, in the comments, somewhere, anywhere, doesn't matter. And then when I hit 1,000, I'll do a countdown, like I said, for maybe around 2 weeks. And I will do a random drawing, and I will pick a winner. And that one winner will get all of this. Again, this is, you have to be 18, you have to be sub to me, and I'll be able to see it. And this in no way, shape, or form is affiliated with YouTube or Google. It's a completely free giveaway by me, cost you nothing. Okay, so there you go. All that rules and nonsense out of the way. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I really hope that you will take a chance in winning this. And I want to say good luck to everybody. And I'm going to say it again. I appreciate you all. It just, it warms my heart. It really does. So I hope you all are staying safe out there. I hope you all are having a great, great day. And I thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you again. And we'll see you on the next one.